Hi guys, it's Wynette and welcome back to my channel. Today's look will feature a rounded purple smoky eye. Please like, comment and subscribe and follow me on the social media pages listed in the description box. I hope you enjoy the video. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. To prime my face, I used the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer, and the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder in yellow. Having already done my brows off camera, I am now priming my lids with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I am blending the concealer all over my lids. From the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Ultimate Artistry Palette, I am using the light pink and lilac shades. I am also using the shade Escape from the Morphe X James Charles palette. First, I apply the pink shade, packing it into the crease. This shadow will act as a transition into the other shadows. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping. After packing, I blend the pink shadow into my crease. Next, I deepen the outer corner and crease using the shade Escape. I am again packing and blending that deep purple shade into my outer V and into my crease. I'm using a small, clean, fluffy blending brush to blend the purple into the pink. To create a sticky base for the next eyeshadow to stick to, I am applying concealer to my lids. I am not creating a cut crease with the concealer, but I am providing a clean canvas for the light shade that I will be applying next. I then blend out the base with my finger. Using a large fluffy shadow brush, I am applying the lilac shadow all over my lids. I am now using a tapered brush to deepen the crease using the deep purple shadow that was applied previously. I then blend the shadows together more thoroughly using a fluffy brush. My colored looks aren't complete without a winged liner. As always, I am using my favorite liquid liner by NYC to line my lids. By now, you should have my process memorized. If you are new, however, check out some of my older videos where I go into detail on how I line my eyes. And just like that, both eyes are almost complete. Having done my face off camera, I am now applying the light pink shadow to my under eyes. I am packing on the shadow for maximum color payoff. I line my top and bottom waterline with my Rimmel Angeleyez Kohl Kajal pencil. Again, going into Escape, I am using a small detail brush to smoke out my lower lash line. As my inner corner highlight, I am first applying the shade Artistry using my Ben Nye glitter glue as a sticky base for the shadow. I then use this duochrome white to purple shadow as a topper to brighten the inner corner highlight. I added a touch of drama to my eyes as I felt it was necessary. I am using my liquid liner to do this. Jamata from the Warrior 2 palette is my blush of choice for this look. I am applying the blush all over my cheeks. I then dust away any excess powder that is left on my face using a flat-topped powder brush. After which, I apply my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in Blackest Black to my bottom lashes. I've applied my false lashes off camera and I'm now spraying my face. I then set my brows in place with my favorite brow gel. To highlight my face, I am using the Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter in the Royalty 1. I am highlighting my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and my nose. Using my LA Colors lip liner in Cafe, I am lining my lips. I then apply my Jordana Lip Shine, which is a pink translucent gloss. I then top this gloss with another translucent pink gloss that I always use. And that's it, guys. I'm dripping in purple. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.